Come here, come here. Closer. Alright. If you do not like electric vehicles, I have bad news for you. Hello and welcome to NewsX Auto. My name is Syed Shiraz Shah and this is the off-road video of the Volvo C40 Recharge Twin. And see, you would not be really taking this off the road. However, after watching this video, you just might. So let's begin. And let me quickly tell you that I'll just do two obstacles and you will get a good idea about the off-road ability of this vehicle. Let me tell it to you right now that this is more capable than you can imagine. So this is the first obstacle, okay, and I will the first attempt would be in standard road mode, okay, and then I will repeat it in off-road mode. Now what I want you to do is I want you to focus on the amount of wheel spin, okay, in both the modes. I'll do one more. Recording चलते रहने दिएगा. I'll do one more. And the next one will be in off-road mode. Keep it rolling. I'll do one more. Right now, until now, my foot was off the throttle, and now I'll apply throttle. I'll do one more. I'm enjoying this. Alright, I hope you observed it, but let me reiterate it anyway. The wheel spin is more in standard mode. The wheel spin is less in off-road mode. So whenever you are off-road, put it in off-road mode. Now let's go to the next obstacle. Come here, come here. Closer. Alright. If you do not like electric vehicles, I have bad news for you. EVs will take over off the road. Let me guarantee you that, okay? And this is coming from a die-hard internal combustion engine fan. Alright, and I grew up on the Willys Jeeps. Alright, and I have referred to electric vehicles as washing machines on wheels, and I still, stick by that statement when it comes to motorcycles, when it comes to on-road, high performance cars, although EVs are actually catching up. But see, on the road, we want that sound, all right, and that's missing in electric vehicles. Off the road, I want to do all my off-roading without any noise, without disturbing anyone, all right. And yeah, so I would prefer an electric Rubicon as well. And I'll tell you what, if you in fact saw this, conquering that incline, there was zero wheel spin at any point in time, okay? And I'll tell you what, On camera I just did it like twice, you know, once from this side and once from that side. Off the camera I did 10 runs and I did not encounter any kind of wheel spin, any kind of loss of traction, okay, despite these tires, you know, even for a millisecond. And I am frankly astonished by what this vehicle, you know, did here. And that is why I say that EVs off-road will take over, and I will not mind that. Okay, I still want my motorcycles to run on petrol. I still want the high performance cars to be powered by gas. All right, I want internal combustion engines over there, and yes, I would not mind internal combustion engines even off the road. But the fact is, EVs, okay, electric off-road vehicles will prove to be better off the road. All right, this has you know, this has a dual motor setup. Okay, it has two motors, one at the front and one at the rear. Imagine, you know, a proper 4x4, okay, with 4 motors, okay, 4 hub mounted motors on each wheel. Imagine what it can do. So, you know, it would eliminate the need of diff locks and whatnot. So guys, that aside, I hope you like the video and you are now aware of the off-road ability of the Volvo C40 Recharge Twin. And if you like the video, please hit that like button, leave a comment, and do subscribe if you haven't already. And I shall see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.